So this is the clip for exercise 4 of week 1. Write the expression with a common denominator. Here's an example. So I will first start to discuss this exercise here. What is A in my order here? So let's put this in the corner that I can write here. Okay, so this is equal to, so what we see here is that we have one denominator, one denominator with x plus 9, and then we have x plus 9 to the power of 2. So what could we do to have a common denominator? We can multiply both. So in fractions we are allowed to multiply. If we multiply by the same factor in both the numerator and the denominator, this is allowed. So why don't we bring this to a form, this is equal to this one, and then we have our common denominator. So this would then mean that we multiplied both the numerator here by x plus 9, and then we do the same thing here, x plus 9 times x plus 9 plus, and this here we don't have to do anything, this is x plus 9 to the power of 2, and then we have 2 times x plus 9 divided by, and then now we have a common denominator. This is x plus 9 to the power of 2 plus 3, and then I get rid of the brackets in the numerator, so this is 2x plus 2 times 9 is 18 plus 3 divided by x plus 9 to the power of 2, and then I have here 2x plus 21 divided by x plus 9 to the power of 2. We can leave it like this, that's actually a matter of taste. You can get rid of the bracket here, but I would leave it like this. It's a most compact representation. So let's start with exercise B, this one here. So if we carefully look at it, then we have 3 times x in the denominator of the first fraction plus 2 divided by, and let's carefully look what actually this product is. So this is 3 times 4 times x times y. So what we see here is that we have the factor of 3 in both of them, we have the factor x, and we have some remaining factors. So we have some factors that are not in the first denominator. So why don't we just extend the denominator and the numerator of the first fraction by these remaining factors? And we'll do as follows. So this would be then 2x plus 1. I have to put this in brackets. Times 4 times x times y. And then 3x times 4 times x times y. So I didn't change the value of the fraction. Divided by, okay, so now I can go back to this more compact representation. Okay, so now they have the same denominator. So it's 12 times x to the power of 2 times y. And I have here 2x plus 1 times 4 times x times y plus 2. And then I can get rid here of the brackets by just multiplying this times the whole term and multiplying this by the whole term plus multiplying this by the whole term. So this would be 2 times x times 4 times x times y plus, 1 times 4 times x times y plus 2, and then I can simplify this a little bit, times y. So this is then equal to 8x squared y plus 4xy plus 2. And let's check whether we can simplify this even further. So what we see here is that both in the numerator and in the denominator we have even numbers. So we can simplify this even further. So this is then equal to 2 times 4x squared y plus 2 times 2xy plus 2 times 1 divided by 2 times 6x squared y. So we can cancel down the 2 here, and then this would be equal to 4x squared y plus 2xy plus 1 divided by 6x squared y.